So we're down here in the forgotten pasture again. Doing a little digging with the JCB. Came down earlier here and mowed over there some. Got a brush pile going. Mowed right here. Still pretty wet. I don't know if you can tell, but there's little sink marks where I was driving the tractor was sinking in. But we were able to dry up enough to get the backhoe down here. So let's see what we got going on. Tried to come down here the other day, wasn't quite dry enough yet. Had a little stuckage here. Had to use the bucket here to dig myself out. So anyhow, what we got, we don't have no ditch left. They all filled in over time. So I'm gonna try to dig a little ditch down through this area right there to get the water to drain in so it will drain out. So just climb in the backhoe and plug away. legs up. There's one leg. And leg number 2. There. And then we raise our bucket up. Shift it into gear. And now we just shift over about a backhoe width. Try to back up in a position here. We're going to try to back up beside that pile. So not too far, but far enough that we can move over. Right about there. We'll go below here more. And then we got our outrigger out here. First we're going to take it out of gear. Lower our bucket. And then we're going to push down on our outrigger into the mud. We do the other one. And we swing back around. I hope you're not getting dizzy. Here we are. With this. walked over.
Check on you.
Oh, okay. Check to see if I wasn't dead, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I saw Daisy at the window whining, and I'm like,
Wonder where he's at.
where is that?
Backhoe's missing. Where did he roll down the
I
hill?
didn't realize that. So I went outside, I'm like, huh. That probably explains that noise I'm hearing.
Yeah.
Probably almost need to fill it, huh?
So what? I just put gas in it the other day.
Fuel.
Yeah, fuel.
Fuel. That old I-4 diesel engine.
It's a Perkins something.
I think it's an I-4.
Yeah, it's a 4-cylinder. I don't know what the actual like liters is. Canadian or liters.
Yeah, came down like that. It's actually pretty solid, surprisingly.
I actually drove straight this time.
Just straight around those bushes and over here.
Yeah, last time I went way over and came over. And then I got...
Yeah, I didn't realize you were filming it until I came over here. I was eating. I'm like, I looked up and I saw you holding. I'm like, well, shit.
What's up? You ate the coffee?
That's probably the most redneck thing anyone will ever see. Walking down a hill with a plane.
Actually, I didn't see you till you were right there. That's
Well,
too
there
busy.
probably saw the whole thing of me walking down the
I don't know.
hill.
I have it aimed like right here.
Oh.
So not really. I think it might have drained a little bit already.
You dried up.
No, it drained to dry up. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's water there, so, and it hasn't rained. So the water came from somewhere.
Somewhere higher elevation to go into this little pit.
Yeah, right? So, the only thing bad is not once I get over here a little bit farther, I'm a little bit tangled up in stuff.
Yeah, bushes and all that.
Yeah, I don't know exactly what I'm going to...
Move all this dirt too.
Probably back in the beaver dam.
Oh yeah, so it can get a little path somewhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw you made a path down that way.
I made a path to a little pond right there straight, too.
Yeah.
Did you see that?
I knew that one was there.
I just made it. How did you know it was there?
Well, but beforehand.
Oh.
I knew there was a pond there, like really close to the railroad track area.
Oh. Yeah, it's slowly reclaiming. I wanted to put this dirt on that side.
Well, there's a lot more swampy than that.
Yeah, I can't get over there, so I thought maybe, you know, if this theoretically works, then it should dry out more over there.
Because now it's going to go into this valley.
Yeah, that's kind of what...
Instead of having just sitting in that grass.
Yeah, like now it has somewhere to run to.
Kind of like our aquifer is full, and this is only where it can...
Yeah, I just wish I could get back in there somehow. And I can't turn sideways because that's what I tried to do in that nightmare stuck situation.
Oh, right there?
Yeah, I tried to turn this way.
Oh, so you could be a little bit more...
Yeah, I was going to push this stuff over that way and make a path beside where I was going to dig.
That didn't work out very well, did it?
No, I got stuck like 2/100ths of a second.
Uh-huh.
And then it's so wet. Well, maybe not now because water went somewhere, but it was so wet, my bucket would just go over there by those bushes. Like literally, it wasn't like I pushed.
Time.
Yeah, when I got stuck, I put the bucket over there to try to pull myself out, and literally it just went. Bloop. And normally it would stop like after the teeth, and then you kind of got to force it in the ground.
Yeah,
it was just like. I was like, oh god, this is gonna be bad. And it was. And then I moved to that spot, and that was a little better, so I could bunny hop myself over. So.
I would say why don't you rent a bulldozer?
I don't know if a bulldozer would be better.
Just it would plow down on the bushes and...
Yeah, it would plow down the bushes, but I don't know if it'd be better.
I
guess next time I ask Kyle, I'll have to ask him.
What, Fox and Sons?
No, Kyle.
Kyle. Oh, he would be the one you'd be.
He has a bulldozer.
You'd be renting it from.
I'll just let him come do it. I just don't know if it would be better. Like, would it just... Or
it's
because
like
it's on a track,
tons.
it's... Huh?
Because it's like 30 tons instead of 5.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Like, would the track just sink more and more, or would it...
Well, you also got to think, okay, so wheels, you have 1 contact area and 2 contact
Right,
area.
a track, I have 10 feet of contact area.
A little out of them. track is like a foot wide over 15 feet long.
Yeah, I got that part.
I mean, you seen like it has a tank?
Yeah.
It has to have like 3 feet of mud in order to get stuck.
Is that what it is? I don't think it's quite. I don't know. This is depending on where you go. I think if you go over there, it's going to be more.
Yeah, over there is probably a bigger drain off because that's where the pond is over there.
Yeah.
All you gotta do is ask and see what.
Yeah. But yeah, I'm trying to make a little ditch here, and I'm trying to go as semi-straight as I can with what I got around me. So I can only move over like one more time, and then I'll be done until I can.
See, what you need is what they had for when they dig the ditch up there.
Yeah.
A wide excavator from there, a bucket that they just kept driving straight over it.
Yeah, that's what.
Until they get some mud.
That's what I was thinking. I should have bought one that was at an auction a while back.
Instead of a backhoe.
It was a big excavator, so it would be kind of like impossible to move, but it would spend like that idea right there. It was as big as what they had, and you could have just.
And you would have a lot of projects. And if
Right.
you could move it, you'd probably be able to do a lot.
Oh,
of
if you
them
could
with
move it,
that.
yeah, you could have a lot of projects. I didn't think about it that way though. I was thinking like, what would I do with this thing?
Probably been great for ditch.
And it sold really cheap, but that doesn't mean that it would have stayed cheap if somebody else was bidding on it.
There's like 2 people, and it's like,
Yeah, it was like 2
did it
people.
run?
Supposedly, all it needed was a hose,
Oh.
hydraulic hose.
Some people don't want to mess with that.
Well, that's not a big deal, but I'm just saying, and it was really rough. But it's
Like that bucket type rough.
yeah, but like everything was dented, everything was scratched, everything
So it
was.
was well
Yeah,
loved.
there was no windows left in it.
Well loved.
Yeah. But it was big, like twice the size of this.
So it was like a demolition type excavator.
Yeah, it was like a demolition.
So I had, instead of a 7-foot beam, I had like a 14-foot beam.
Yeah, I don't know what it had, but yeah.
No, that would be a really big ditch.
So I was wondering, did you want to go get ice cream for your birthday?
Oh, sure. I didn't know that was an option.
Well, I just thought of it while I was down here. I was like, maybe I ought to
Ice
take it.
cream sounds like a good thing right now.
What time is it? You got your phone in your pocket?
No. I
Okay.
think it was like 5:30 when I came
Oh,
out.
okay, so it's still kind of early. Okay, I'll have to take a little bit more, then I'll come up and we'll go get
Alright.
ice cream at...
You're leaking.
Yeah, I know. I've been leaking. Okay, nice talking to you.
Yep.
So we gotta swivel around. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Oh, there, whoop, there we go. Wow! One leg. Oh, two legs. What? You don't say. The doggy doesn't like me when I'm making noise. You can just hang out. room for us somewhere. So, let's see what we got going on out there. There we go. So we've done a little bit there. Like that. Let's hope we can get out of here. Okay, so we got ourselves stuck in this little swamp area. So we got to get ourselves out. So what we got to do, we got to double up. We got to operate the back here. We got to get her all. Got to get her all empty-dory here. Now we push ourselves way up. Up, and then you push yourself forward. Sometimes you gotta do both. You gotta push down and sometimes you gotta put your teeth down in. Sometimes you gotta double dip. You gotta be able to drive and operate the backhoe at the same time. That's what's bad about coming down here. We get down in these kind of spots and then we get stuck. Okay, let's see if we can make it back up top. We're sinking in. I don't know if you can tell the divot, but there's piles. There's our ditch we made. sitting here. So it doesn't, maybe it won't pop as much wheelie. Back it up and park it over here out of the way. Backing up. Gotta be careful, there's a electric fire back here. Right about there. Good. Lowering it down. Take it out of gear. Here. Turn our little, this is our little handsaw right here. So just push that back and that idles are down. This is the knob for the bucket. And then we just turn it off.